Right, how you doing guys? I thought I'd do something a little bit differently today. What I thought I'd do is I wanted to show you and give you a bit of a behind the scenes of what I actually do with these machines. It's not just a simple case of a quick clean and it's ready to go back out. What I do is when I get these machines, I strip them down to nothing and I rebuild them back up. And I've always taken great pride in the fact that I know where every single screw goes. I know everything about the machines that I put out there. So what I'm going to do is show you the start to finish so you can see the process of what I do getting these machines ready to then be installed to my customers.
I've got that lightning inside me, son of a god. I'm like a titan that's rising, oh just you watch. I'm stepping into fate, there is no time to waste. I've got that lightning inside me, this is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. I'm cranking up on the throttle, victory is mine. Show you the harder the battle, harder I fight. I've come too far to quit, step back, I'm going in. I'm cranking up on the throttle, this is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. Like iron from the fire, getting stronger. This is how legends are made. Above it all, untouchable, a new animal. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. I've got that lightning inside me, oh just you watch. This is how legends are made. I'm like a titan that's rising, oh just you watch.
Right, thank you very much for watching. I know it's just a short little snippet of what I actually do, but what I wanted to do is just show you a quick brief of, start to finish and a little bit of an insider of what I do with these machines and the pride that I take in them. So just want to say a massive thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate everyone following my journey, sharing, all the recommendations I had. So I just wanted to say a massive thank you, and hopefully that someone out there is watching and it gives them the inspiration to go follow their dreams and do what they want to do in life. So thank you very much, and see you guys again soon.